Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market, and checking out the links for either E-Trade or M1, where you can save and trade fractional stocks. 2004 Ford F150 5.4 liter starter replacement. It's actually a shield. There it is on the floor. 4 13mm bolts. Take it off. You get access through here if you'd like. That's best, otherwise you can go through here on the other side of this bar. You got a 10mm nut here, 13mm nut here, 13mm nut holding this ground strap on, the stud right there, 13mm stud. Take the stud out. Here we are set up for the second bolt, nut bolt. You can get it on the camera at all. There it is. There's that bolt. We got one more actually on top too. That's really not viewable. You can see it kind of through the wheel well. Not get to it. I'm going to pull this down now for you. Ugh. This is my setup right here. A little swivel. You might not need the swivel for this one I'm doing right now, but and maybe a 3-inch extension, a 13mm. That's what I'm using to take off the second bolt on the side. So there you can see what I can see. There's my handle on my ratchet. So I've got a swivel and maybe a 4-inch extension and the same socket. So here I am in here. If I'm lucky, it's broken loose. If not, then I'll have to reset it. I can tell you that the second bolt for me on the side, there's my setup, a little longer. The second bolt has seemed to have seized in place after coming out, so I'm not happy about that. But that's my personal experience on doing the starter on this Ford F150. So there's a little drain tube of some kind here. I just push it out of the way a little bit. I'm sure I can give a little free play, and I can reach up here kind of sort of with my hand. I have smaller hands, and I can get up there and I can touch that third bolt up there, and I got it out. Whew. So that's what they look like. So a little PB blaster and some work in the bolt, and that's loose, I think. There we go. Oh, boom, see it? Starter out. Hope this helps you try to do your starter on your 2004 and other model years Ford 5.4 liter engine.